Okay, here we have brake cylinders, wheel cylinders off a 1955 Thunderbird. The car had been off the road for quite a while, and I noticed the hydraulic fluid had leaked down, so I figured we had probably some pretty nasty problems. And I'm going to show you what we found. Now this one here I haven't taken apart yet, and kind of wanted you to see this. Okay, here's a kind of a close-up of this thing. Looks pretty ugly. I'm going to pop this thing apart and we'll see what it looks like inside. Okay, I got this thing apart. There's your spring, pistons, cups. Okay, what we're really concerned about is the inside of this thing. Now, you can't see it real good, so I've got another one I run a ball hone through, and we can see what actually has happened. Here's one of the front cylinders. I ran a ball hone through it. You can see that mark in there. That looks like water's been laying in the bottom of it. Makes it pretty well trashed, pretty much as any of these things would be. I don't think you ever get away with not replacing these things. So anyway, that's the cylinders. I'll be showing you the differential as we go along and see what we need to do with it.